bait up Bubbles. Then we will bait up Sprouty and get Sprouty out in the water as well. Might do Bubbles straight out and Sprouty maybe over to one side a little. But first things first is get Bubbles baited up with his new hook and weight on. And then get him out in the water. Well, actually no, I might wait until I've baited up Sprouty to prefer to put Bubbles in the water. So for now, put Bubbles his hook up there. Then grab my Sprouty rod that's here with me as well. Because I know with Bubbles he can go out far. So that's one good thing with Bubbles, is that I can get him out to go further. So, yeah, so we'll see what interests both have today over in my area, guys. See what fish I can catch here. I caught one when I was sat in my other half's chair. Now I'm back into my area. Right, firstly guys, I'm going to get Sprouty out in the water. He's the first one to go out. Come on Sprouty. You're my first one, baby boy. You go out over that way. Just there. And sit right there. Now all it's to do now is to get Bubbles out in the water now, guys. Whoa! I think Bubbles is keen, guys, to get out in the water, look. Not yet, Bubbles, baby. Come on until Mummy gets you. Out there first. Not over there, Bubbles. Come on. Right, guys, that's Bubbles out in the water now as well. Actually, guys, I might bring Sprout to the other side of Bubbles, actually. The other side of my other rod. Bring him over this side. Yep. So let's see which one catches first, guys. Hang on, I'm just going to try and move Bubbles to over the other side of me. So over that way. A little. Yes, and then I can get a little Sprouty here. I'm in a little bit more of a better position. And yes, I know I'm only meant to be fishing with one rod, but hey. Sprouty's my lucky rod. Well, he was earlier on. he might be now again. Right, we're just going to try and bring Bubbles right into the middle here a little. Or maybe not. Or maybe I will. Quickly though. What the hell? All I do is go to cast down mode, radio falls off. Minute guys, I'm having to hand turn my line back in a minute.